Okay guys, I'm going to walk you through the science safety thing that you have to do first. I'm logged in as a student here, so your screen should look exactly the same as mine. When you get in here, you need to get to our physics course, so you log into D2L, choose the physics at the top, and then under content browser you can see that we've got the science safety course. Click on the first one here, the general safety rules. Wait for it to load. And just read through this here. And when you're done reading through that, you click the right arrow. It'll load the next screen. You read through the next screen. These are safety rules for lab experiments. When you're done with this screen, click to the next screen. So again, read through all of that. 4 pages. Click the right arrow. You'll be presented with this worksheet called What's Wrong with This Picture. You do not have to fill this out, okay? If you'd like to, this is fine, but you do not have to fill it out. You can type in here, don't have to. You can check your answers there if you want. Again, click the right arrow. PPE worksheet. You do not have to fill this out again, but those are pictures and spots where you can answer here, okay? Anything that we need to use in the classroom for a physics lab, I will show you ahead of time. We're not going to have goggles and splashware and dealing with glass and all that, so it's really not that important for physics, but everybody goes through the same thing. Your emergency equipment, your eye wash station, fire extinguisher, sand bucket, and your glass container. Again, you do not have to do any of that, but I will show you where those are in the classroom before the lab if you need that. Almost the end here, the WHMIS section. That's the Workplace Hazardous Materials Information System. Again, you're required to know this for the test. It's more like a quiz, but 3 pages here. Read through that, understand what that means right there, and again, click to the right. And now you've been prompted to start the test. Okay, start quiz test. So that we would do, the instructions are here. You would go ahead and start the quiz. I'm logged in as a student, so I won't do that right now, but you would start that quiz. You need to get 70% on that quiz in order to be allowed to participate in the lab. I'm sure that most of you have done this before, this exact same test before, but you need to try it over and over again until you get 70%. Once you get 70%, then you're done and you don't need to do any more.